Greetings from Process Solutions Corporation. In this video, we will be showing you our liquid dosing system. We will be using a software called FLOW Plot from Bronkhorst to monitor the flow meter, to check the counters to ensure they reach 100%, and to check the output of the valve. On the right, you can see a small PLC program that we designed especially for this liquid dosing system. Through this program, we can set the desired volume that the counter is going to dose and the number of doses that each batch is going to have. On the software, FLOW Plot, we'll also be setting the size of the dose as well as the maximum allowed time for each dose. We will need to reset the counter a couple times until it gives us approximately the desired value. And after that, we can proceed with the testing. For the first test, we set an amount of 10 doses of 10 grams for each dose, so at the end, we should have around 100 grams. And after the test, we end up with 97.6 grams dosed. For the second test, we have set a batch of 10 doses at 15 grams each, and we also have a time between resets to happen every 800 milliseconds, while the maximum time for dosing is 0.5 seconds. First, we reset the counter multiple times until we get a value near our desired set point, which is 15 grams. Then we proceed to enable the graphic to monitor whatever reading is on the flow meter. In this case, we can see on the gray line when the flow meter reaches the total amount that we set for the counter. And on the red line, we can see whenever the valves open and close. The total mass dose for this test is 149.7 grams, which is very close to our set point. For the third test, we are going to set a batch of 50 doses at 30 grams each, and the maximum allowed time for each dose is set to 0.52 seconds. At the end of the test, we measured a mass of 1,501 grams. We have now completed the testing process. We hope that you are happy with the performance of the mini CORI-FLOW and that you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.